Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to be doing more review today, so we will start with our I can statement and then get started. I can represent and solve addition and subtraction word problems with unknowns or that call for addition of three whole numbers within 20 by using objects, drawings, and equations with a symbol for the unknown number to represent the problem. First, we're going to get started with a warm-up. Our warm-up is 25 plus 8. Now, to solve this, I would stack the tens and ones on top of each other. So we have 25 plus 8. Separate our tens and ones and solve the one side first. I have 5 plus 8, and I'm going to start with the bigger number, then count on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I put my ones on this side and carry my tens over here. Now I have 1 plus 2, which is 3, and I have my answer, 33. All right, let's get started with our first problem. So this is an I do, so I'm going to read the problem and then you're going to watch me solve. Mrs. Jones's class collected 15 rocks for science. Mr. Green's class collected 10. How many more rocks did Mrs. Jones' class collect? When I see the words, how many more, I always know that I'm going to be subtracting. So I know this is a subtraction problem. I'm going to reread my problem and fill in my equation. Mrs. Jones' class collected 15 rocks for science. Mr. Green's class collected 10. How many more rocks did Mrs. Jones' class collect? So we have Mrs. Jones' collection minus Mr. Green's. And the answer is my unknown. Now to solve, I'm going to draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm going to take 10 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Mrs. Jones' class collected 5 more rocks than Mr. Green's. All right, and now this is a we do. So I will read the problem and then we will solve together. There are 15 cupcakes. The first grade students ate 7 of the cupcakes. How many cupcakes are left? I know I am subtracting because it says that we ate 7. The first grade students ate 7, so 7 of them are being taken away. Now, I'm going to reread my problem and fill in as I read. There are 15 cupcakes. The first grade students ate 7 of them. Goodbye, 7. How many cupcakes are left? That is what I do not know. That is my unknown. So now I want you to pause the video and solve 15 minus 7 using a number bond, your fingers, or a drawing. All right, now let's draw a picture to solve. So I'm going to draw 15 cupcakes because that's how many I started out with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the first grade students ate 7, so I'm going to take 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cupcakes are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cupcakes left. Okay, now this is a you do. So I'm going to read you the problem and then I want you to pause the video to solve. I counted 12 birds on the fence. A cat scared them and some birds flew away. Now I see 4 birds on the fence. How many birds did the cat scare away? Circle the equation that matches this word problem and explain. So the first thing you're going to do when you pause the video is you're going to create an equation that matches the story problem, solve it, and then circle which problem matches yours. Ready? Pause. All right, if your equation looks like mine and you have this last equation circled, then you are correct. Let's reread our story problem and make sure it matches up with what we have written down. I counted 12 birds on the fence. A cat scared them and some birds flew away. I know I'm subtracting because it says they flew away. I don't have a number here. This is my unknown because it says a cat scared them and some birds flew away. I don't know how many, it just says some. Now I see 4 birds on the fence. So this is the equation you should have, and this is the equation that you should have circled. All right, now it is for you to do your seesaw activity and get that posted for your teacher to see. Have a good day, guys.